so good.
Hi! Can you see me?
No.
How are you all doing? Welcome back. Today we're going to do a lot of Trader Joe's snacks. Woo! Look, I have someone with me today. What is your name?
Julia.
How do you spell Julia?
Julia. And most of the time, my name is Gabumpy.
Seriously? Mommy right here. Julia right there. Wait, Mommy's right here. Oh, this morning it snowed outside and Julia made a small, tiny snowman. What was the snowman name?
Olaf Susie.
Olaf Susie. That is the name she gave to her snowman. But now it's like the sun is out and stuff. The snow's already melted. So let's get into the snacksing time.
Yeah.
I had some Trader Joe's snacks before, but Julia never had some. So this is her first time. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited too. Okay. We actually sit in front of the fire, but it's right here. We don't know where to sit. Okay, you want to go for the first one?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, look. Not yet, Mommy. You were so fast, so it looks like this. You had to slow down. So this one, it is butter waffle cookies. So what do you think about this?
Good.
I love it. Do you love it?
Mm-hmm.
I think this would be perfect if you have like a cup of tea for the afternoon. It's really great. That crunchy sound. You want to move to the next one? Okay. It's really sweet, but it's so good. Of course, sweet stuff is good, right? So we're going to do this one. It's dark chocolate almond butter cups. Yum.
That's a big one.
I think we can share one. Do you want to take a bite first? Okay. What do you think?
It tastes like chocolate.
It is chocolate.
It tastes like chocolate.
Can Mommy have a bite? Thanks.
See, it tastes like chocolate.
It's so good. Okay.
I'm going to take one more bite. But in case I'm going to eat all of it.
In case. No, just one more bite. That should be enough.
Okay.
Thank you. We can have some later after dinner.
Okay.
Okay, there's the second one. It's a dark chocolate too, but it's dark chocolate sunflower seed buttercups. Okay. 1 second, let's take off the outside.
How about you share this one too?
Okay, but you can take a bite first.
It tastes like chocolate too.
Of course, it is chocolate outside. I never had sunflower seeds before. It's really good. It tastes amazing. You want one more bite? Just last bite.
Yeah, we had this in Cambodia.
No, we don't.
Well, I have, this is a dream.
Okay, so it was her dream that she had these chocolate sunflower seeds in Cambodia too. Okay, let's move to the next one. Who is ready for some chips? I'm ready.
Me too.
Okay. Okay. Going to open it. Magic. Oh. Hold your ears, it's gonna be loud. Oh. It didn't break. Okay, try one more time. 1, 2, 3. Hold your ears. Oh. Okay. Squeeze it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, cover your ears. Okay, let's do it normal. Mmm. Oh, did you hear that?
Just so good.
It is really, really, really good. It's dark russet kettle cooked potato chips. Why do you have so long name? Mmm. It is really good.
Definitely all of it.
Really? Guys, my hair is
Red.
no, it's changing color. It was really red before. Now it's like the red kind of washed off a little bit. Now it's kind of like pinkish. So I think I need to dye my hair again. What color should I dye next?
Purple. You should get red and blue, and you should mix them together in a bowl, and then you should put it on your hair.
And what color will it come out?
Purple.
So red mixed with blue come out purple. Wow, that's great. So this one is really, really cool. I never had this one before. So it is chocolate vanilla cream cookies. And they said with real vanilla beans sprinkles. Sprinkles? Oh my, that is a lot. I didn't expect that it's so many like that. What should we do with this? I think we can snack it for like maybe the next 3 months.
Okay.
Yeah, we're not really good with sweet, so whenever we get sweet, it lasts for a long, long time. We can just like snack a little bit after dinner and stuff, or afternoon tea. Okay, cheers. Boom, try.
So good.
So good. Yeah, this is really amazing. I love it.
It looks like round circle cookies.
It is round circle cookies. Do you like it? Who doesn't like cookies, right? So, whatever snacks that we have today, did you ever have some of those before? I love Trader Joe's snacks so much. They look so good, but of course it has a lot of calories. But
yeah, they taste so good. If you ever tried these, you can say they're good or not good, but these are just so good. You should try one of these. You should try this.
We love you all so much. Heart shape, heart shape. How do you know? Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Can you see me?
You know.
Can you see me? Hi.
Hi. Bye.